Hello. So, presenting here is the top-down structure chart for a program that implements the given logic, which greets the user, takes the input from the user, and based on that input, it reads the corresponding data file, and then it displays a stem and leaf plot for the data present in that selected data file. So, here is the structure. It has three levels, level 1, 2, and 3, and these functions are in the lower level. So, the control over here starts with the main. Main is organized in such a way that it has three function calls wherein it greets the user, takes the input from the user, and then it uses a control statement to check if the user has entered 0 or 1, 2, or 3. So if the user entered 0, it would terminate the execution of the program. Otherwise, it would read the corresponding data file based on the input provided, and then it would generate the stem and leaf plot. So the important steps in displaying a stem and leaf plot are the user input, because based on that we need to generate the stem and leaf plot. First is the user input, and then file mapping. Based on the user input, we need to match with the corresponding data file and then read the data from the data file. And based on that data, we need to uh, segregate the data into stems and leaves, and then that would be displayed as a stem and leaf plot. So as said, there are three levels in this function. Level 1 is the main. Greet user, get input, and read and display stem plot is in the level 2. Read data from file, generate stem and leaf plot, and display stem and leaf plot are in level 3. So these three are the lower functions. So let's see how the generate stem and leaf plot function works. So as this gets the file name, it reads the data and sends it back. So this function takes the data which is sent, and it performs mathematical calculations in such a way that it extracts ones place and the tens place. Ones place would be stored as leaves, and tens place, the digits in the tens place would be stored as stems. So it goes on loop and stores everything, all this data as stems and leaves in a dictionary, and then this dictionary as would be sent to the display function, which would then display the stem and leaf plot in a structured manner. So this is where the main logic of reading the data and generating the stem and leaf of the data is present.